They weren't fast enough. Gate 3's open, dude.
Oh, his mate took his shit and ran off. What a bitch.
Get a green flare on him.
Yeah.
Oh no, missing that. Oi! Carl? Fade out. Got him. Oh, he had a raid bag. Non-chon level 60. Yoink. Oh, he had a full bag, dude. Oh, it's RMT!
No way, let's see.
Oh, Slick! Fast MT, Blackrock, Mark 47!
Oh. Oh.
Take your pick, take whatever you want, dude.
Yeah, fuck.
Get fucking RMT, you fucking assholes. What are you taking?
I'll take the Slick.
Alright, cool. Oh, man. Get absolutely butt fucked. Oh, you're taking the MP7?
I'll use that.
Cool. Done.
No wonder his mate was naked. Please, record it.